Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Emily, and this is my friend Paul.
Hi there, everyone. How are you today? We're so happy to have you here.
Okay, let's get started. I have a question for you. Do you want to speak better English every day?
I know I do. And today we're going to share some super easy ways to improve your English every single day. It's not hard, and you'll feel more confident in no time.
Absolutely. You don't need to study for hours. Just follow these small steps, and your English will get better each day.
So, if you're ready to speak English better, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's do this.
Emily. Okay, let's talk about how to practice speaking English every day. It doesn't have to be difficult.
Exactly. One of the easiest things you can do is speak English with yourself.
Yes, talk to yourself in English even when you're alone. For example, when you wake up, you can say, I feel happy today.
Or when you're having breakfast, try saying, I'm eating my favorite food. Say it with us. Repeat after me.
Both, I feel happy today.
I'm eating my favorite food.
Perfect. These small sentences will help you feel more comfortable speaking. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just practice, practice, practice.
Now, here's a fun tip. Repeat what you hear. Listen to English every day and repeat what you hear. If you hear a new word, try saying it out loud.
Yes. If you're listening to music or watching a show, try to repeat the words. For example, if you hear, It's a sunny day, say it with us. Both,
It's a sunny day.
awesome. Repeating helps your brain remember new words and makes your speaking smoother.
And here's another one. Talk to your friends or family in English. Even if it's just a quick chat, it's so helpful. Ask simple questions like, How are you today?
And you can answer, I'm good, thank you. Say it with us. How are you today?
How are you today?
And I'm good, thank you.
I'm good, thank you. Great job. The more you talk, the easier it gets.
And don't forget to listen to English every day. Whether it's a podcast, a song, or even a news report, listening helps you learn new words and improve your speaking.
Exactly. When you listen to English, you learn the correct pronunciation and how words flow together. You can even practice shadowing, which means repeating exactly what you hear. Try this with us now.
Let's try a short sentence. The weather is nice today. Repeat after me.
The weather's nice today.
Great. Keep doing this, and soon you'll sound just like a native speaker.
Now, we want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us, how do you practice speaking English every day?
Yes, tell us your favorite way to practice. Is it speaking to yourself, listening to English, or talking with friends? Write it in the comments and let's learn from each other. Let's make it easy. Here's a simple routine that will help you practice every day.
First, speak to yourself in English. Talk about your day or what's around you, just like, I'm making breakfast now.
Second, repeat what you hear. Whether it's from a video, music, or a friend, just repeat the words you hear.
And third, speak with others in English, even just for 5 minutes. The more you talk, the better you get.
Now let's practice together. Here are some phrases you can use every day.
I'm learning English every day.
I'm learning English every day. I speak with myself in English. Great job, everyone. Keep saying these every day and you'll see how much your speaking improves.
Before we finish today, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it helped you.
Yes, and remember, improving your English is all about small steps every day. You're doing amazing. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.